Toxoplasma gondii, a single-celled, mind and body-altering parasite infecting a third of the human population. This glass model shows in color what the human eye cannot see. This small single-celled parasite is possibly infecting you or a person you love as we speak. If you are lucky, it will only form a cyst in your muscle or your brain and lie dormant until something eats you. If you are not lucky, then this parasite can affect how you think and behave. It has even been linked to increasing an infected person's chance of having an accident by 2.5 times due to lowered reaction times. Remember, it is not just you on the road. Possibly a third of the people driving have been infected with Toxoplasma gondii. Any one of them may cause an accident with you. The reason that this parasite can influence your reaction time is that it can actually increase GABA production by the brain, which in turn is like an off switch for your neurons. In moments when you should be thinking quickly, with your neurons firing fast, the Toxoplasma gondii parasite inhibits the quick firing of those neurons. Slowing down the reaction time of the brain is only one possible effect of this parasite. This parasite also causes men and women to behave in different ways. Women, as shown here, tend to become more social and lose their inhibitions and fears. Men, on the other hand, react in an opposite manner, becoming introverted and even displaying aggressiveness. It is not yet certain exactly how the parasite manipulates the behavior of men and women. What is known is that women must be more careful not to contract this parasite than men. Women with the parasite, according to a Danish study of over 50,000 women, are 2.5 times more likely to commit suicide after pregnancy. Women who have already been infected with this parasite usually have antibodies that prevent the passing of the parasite to the infant. But if the mother is infected during pregnancy, there is a high chance of passing the parasite to the child. Infants are especially vulnerable to the parasite due to their weak immune system. In an unborn child, it can cause nasal malformations, blindness, and brain damage, including encephalitis. Adults who have immune disorders such as HIV, AIDS, and adults taking drugs that suppress the immune system also run the risk similar to infants of contracting toxoplasmosis, the disease caused by the parasite, the results of which are devastating. Studies show that people infected with the parasite have increased chances of mental disease such as schizophrenia, depression, and anxiety. Schizophrenics are especially vulnerable, as this image shows. The parasite has been linked to the loss of brain tissue in schizophrenics. Perhaps even more disturbing is that this parasite not only destroys the lives of humans, but the lives of animals as well. A study by the University of California found that of the dead sea otters collected from 1998 to 2004, toxoplasmosis was the cause of death for 13% of the animals. For the good of the planet, we have to stop and eliminate this parasite. The answer to the problem that Toxoplasma gondii represents is to eliminate the one primary host, the only place that Toxoplasma gondii can sexually reproduce to multiply. If you are hoping that the flowers behind the calves are the source of the parasite, be without hope. It is those felines that have already spread a parasitic disease around the world and infected every part of the animal kingdom. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have concluded that the cat, both wild and especially domestic, is the source for this parasite. It is necessary for this parasite to continue to thrive, and if removed, the threat of this parasite will be removed with it. The cycle of horror will stop. The parasite evolved to affect the brains of mice, making them sexually attracted to cat urine and reducing the fear centers in their brains. When the mice were eaten by the cat, the parasite uses the cat's intestine to reproduce and create cysts, which travel with the feces of the cat. Cats themselves are not affected by the parasite other than being used to reproduce and create cysts. The cysts last for months, even in dry, freezing weather, and are designed to break down in the stomachs of other animals. Simply washing the cat does not end the danger that their feces represents. The cysts are designed to break down in stomach acid. Simple soap and water will not affect them. You must be strong. You must kill cats for mankind and the world. Not only would changing the cat litter put you at risk for contracting the parasite, it is also not the only way to come in contact with the cysts. As you can see here, just a cat licking its anus and then licking you or something you may eat or touch can infect you with the cyst of the parasite. Do not fear the cat. Kill the cat. Where do our schizophrenics end up when our healthcare system does not take care of them? Many end up on the street in less than sanitary conditions and easy prey for the parasite-spreading cat. You could help this man with money, but if you want to help him long-term, kill the cat. Stop the parasite from infecting any more homeless and driving them insane. Save a friend. Save her child. Kill her cat. You can save the children. You can save the animals. As shown here, there are multiple ways even a child could kill a cat. The method with the greatest chance of success is the towel twist method. While the other methods may work, excessive struggling could lead to infection. If you prefer a less physical approach, you can use the method shown by this doctor and simply feed the cat 1,000 milligrams of liquid acetaminophen or 2 extra strength Tylenol tablets. Avoid the cat for a few hours and return with sterile gloves to dispose of the corpse. Though the cat wields a deadly weapon, you are stronger. Get your game face on and save the world from Toxoplasma gondii. Kill the cats.